Good morning, guys. I just want to show you my vegetables. Look, because of the weather, it's very nice weather. Sometimes raining, sometimes sunny. And look at my calamansi. Calamansi means calamodin, lemon. We call it lemon in the Philippines. And look at my tangkoy. There. The others, I don't know what was that. Actually, it's not tangkoy. It might be cucumber. I'm not sure. But that one, 101%, it was a tangkoy or balanghoy. My voice is really sore today because you know why? I just got up. And here's my pechay. No, mustasa. I think this one is kabatiti. Patola. That's my patola. But I put some I planted some mustasa, mustard on the sides and other veggies. And that's my alugbari. That's my whatever. And look at them. They really grow up very fast. Look. And another one there. Actually flowering. But I can go now. Like I can start harvesting them. There. That's my beans. Beans, I think. And okra. My beans are flowering. I think they are purple color. These only, I planted them only in our deck. Look at my beans. They're starting. There. That's it. That's a pot garden. And my sweet potatoes. Anyway, sweet potato, I like only the leaves. Pot gardening.